Hi, folks. This is Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming with another great product. This is from Raycop.com. This is the Raycop GO UV Plus. And I got to tell you, we've reviewed a number of products from Raycop. My mom loves the vacuum that we took and reviewed. She's 77. She loves it where it doesn't need a doesn't need a cord, and it's lightweight. She loves it. She can just zip it around everywhere. It's not a big, giant, heavy vacuum, and it's efficient and kills viruses as well, which is really important in today's world. So this is a specialized handheld vacuum with UV light that you can use to safely clean your phone, car, and plane seat, hotel room, your luggage, and more. Even comes with a carry case that you can take and ship with you that holds all the parts in a nice sort of little tray, if you will. It's got Ray Clean technology. It kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria with the Ray Clean UV Plus. Now keep in mind, this is UV-C technology. It kills 99.99% of virus removal, 99.99% of bacterial removal, 99.3% of dust mite removal, and 99.97% of cleanness via the HEPA filter that's built inside to it. We'll get to that in a second. It gives you UV sanitation for any surface. You can use it on your laptop or whatever. If you're really paranoid about COVID-19 and other viruses, this will kill those viruses. The Pure Air HEPA filtration system that's built into it will kill of course, like we said, 99.97% of common allergens, human hair, pollen, mites, household dust, mites, eggs, pet dander, all that stuff can get vacuumed up here, and it's got a really strong, powerful motor that's small, and it's pretty light and tight, and just really helps you clean up everything that's going on. It's got optimized ergonomics, 3 operational modes, 1 with the UV and 2 with different suction modes. It's got a replaceable battery, instant empty. You just open a little dustbin, and you can actually rinse and wash the dustbin, so that makes it really nice. You can even detach the UV head and use it kind of as just to suck up large little items into it and all that good stuff. This thing works really great, and of course we've been testing a lot of their products here. It's got a Lion 3 cell with 3 hours of charge time and weighs 1.82 pounds. It's got a 4 amp UV lamp. Dustbin capacity is 5.6 ounces, and runtime is up to 30 minutes. One thing I do want to say about this is these do run on UV-C lights, so you want to be very careful. You do not get the UVC light on your skin or look into the light with your eyes. Now, it's got safety measures designed to where the light turns on and off. You'll notice when you pick it up, so that you can't do that. Just be careful. If you do get the light on your skin with UV-C, you can change the DNA of your skin and destroy it, which is very bad, or you can blind yourself with the light. So just keep that in mind, and if you use the product like you should, you will be fine, and it will kill viruses. Just be very careful. Anyway, guys, go to Raycop.com, tell them Chris Voss sent you, check out the Go UV Plus